Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, let's see a home remedy to clear out with the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are such that doesn't, as you keep your house or the surroundings clean and hygiene, then also sometimes mosquitoes will appear. So to clear out with these mosquitoes, this remedy will really effectively works for it and gives you a best result. And also the mosquito repellents or maybe the coils or the liquids that gives you the chemical effect to your house, or the whenever you take that air into your lungs, that will affect your health. So this is the natural remedy that doesn't affect your health, and naturally it will help you out in clearing out with the mosquitoes problem, and also keeps you healthy, and also doesn't gives any side effects. So for this, simply we need two ingredients, that is lemon and cloves. So now just cut this lemon into two halves. After cutting this lemon into two halves, now take a one half and attach this cloves to it. And you need to place this lemon where the mosquitoes are more in your house, like maybe in the balcony or maybe in the corridor or maybe in the bedrooms. You can place this. Prepare like this and place it over the places where mosquitoes can appear, and this will really doesn't allow mosquitoes to enter into your house. The odor that comes from this lemon or the clove will doesn't allow the mosquitoes to get in, or that doesn't give sufficient atmosphere for the mosquitoes. So doing like this will keeps you free from the mosquitoes, and also doesn't affect your health and doesn't gives any side effects to your body or the children's health. So this is very effective and this is very effective remedy to clear out with the mosquitoes. You can try this over to clear the mosquitoes.